Hey everyone, welcome back to Future Technology. Today, we're diving into the Nokia Lumia 500 5G, a phone that aims to blend style, performance, and affordability. Is it worth your hard-earned cash? Let's find out. Design and build. First up, the design. The Lumia 500 continues Nokia's legacy of delivering sleek and sturdy devices. It features a lightweight polycarbonate build with a matte finish, making it both premium-looking and comfortable to hold. The available color options, especially the vibrant cyan and classic black, are eye-catching. Plus, it's IP5 rated, so it's splash-resistant, not fully waterproof, but handy for everyday use. Display. The Lumia 500 sports a 6.5-inch AMOLED display with FHD resolution. The colors are punchy, the blacks are deep, and it's great for streaming videos or playing games. It also boasts a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, making scrolling and animations buttery smooth. Whether you're swiping through apps or browsing social media, this display feels responsive and modern. Performance. Under the hood, the Lumia 500 is powered by the Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 processor, paired with up to 8GB of RAM and 128GB or 256GB of storage. In day-to-day usage, the performance is snappy. You can multitask, run demanding apps, and even play graphics-intensive games like PUBG or Asphalt without noticeable lag. Plus, with 5G connectivity, you're future-proofed for blazing fast internet speeds. Camera. Onto the cameras. The Lumia 500 features a triple camera setup, headlined by a 6-MP primary lens. It captures sharp, detailed photos in daylight and performs decently in low light with its night mode. The 8MP ultra-wide lens and 2MP macro lens add versatility, though the macro shots can be hit or miss. On the front, there's a 16MP selfie camera that does a solid job for social media-ready photos. Battery and software. Battery life is impressive, thanks to its 5000 mAh capacity. You can easily get through a full day of heavy use, and with 33W fast charging, you'll be back to 50% in under 30 minutes. As for software, the phone runs on Nokia's clean Android One interface, which guarantees you at least 2 major Android updates and 3 years of security patches. No bloatware, no fuss, just a smooth Android experience. Pros and cons. To wrap it up, here are the highlights and drawbacks of the Lumia 500. Pros. 1. Vibrant AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. 2. Reliable performance with Snapdragon 6 Gen 1. 3. Excellent battery life with fast charging for clean Android One experience. Cons. 1. Macro lens could be better. 2. No stereo speakers, which may be a letdown for some. Conclusion. So, should you buy the Nokia Lumia 500 5G? If you're looking for a mid-range phone that delivers solid performance, a great display, and clean software, this is a fantastic option. At its price point, it's tough to beat. That's all for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts on the Lumia 500. Until next time, stay tech savvy.